One. Happy Republic Day to all of you. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of the country. The document lays down the framework that demarcates fundamental code, structures, procedures, powers, and duties of the government institutions and sets out fundamental rights, directive principles, and the duties of the citizens. Here we all are going to share with you some of the interesting and important facts about our constitution. Hope you all.
I believe that the Constitution should be used as a tool for social reformation and it will help in the equalizing the gap between different classes. This, I feel, is essential for social solidarity and national integration.
Do you know the constitution was not typed or printed? Yes, both the versions of the constitution, Hindi and English, were handwritten. It is the longest handwritten constitution of any country on the earth.
It is the longest constitution in the world, with so much writing. The Indian constitution is the longest of any sovereign country in the world. In its current form, it has a preamble, 22 parts with 448 articles, 12 schedules, 5 appendices, and 115 amendments.
It was handwritten by Prem Behari Narayan Raizada. The original Constitution of India was handwritten by Prem Behari Narayan Raizada in a flowing italic style with beautiful calligraphy. The Constitution of India was published in Dehradun and photolithographed by the Survey of India.
The original constitution is handwritten with each page uniquely decorated by artists from Shantiniketan including Biohar Ram Manohar Sinha and Nandlal Bose.
The original copies of the Indian Constitution, written in Hindi and English, are kept in special helium-filled cases in the Library of the Parliament of India.
The preamble to the Constitution declares India to be a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and a welfare state committed to secure justice, liberty, and equality for the people and for the fraternity and integrity of the individuals and unity and dignity of the nation. Constituent Assembly was the first parliament of independent India. Dr. Sachinand Sinha was the first president of Constituent Assembly when it met on 9 December 1946.
The Constituent Assembly, which first met on 9 December 1946, took precisely 2 years, 11 months, and 18 days to come up with the final draft.
When the draft was prepared and put up for debate and discussion, 2,000 amendments were prepared before it was finalized.
The Constituent Assembly sat for a total of 11 sessions. The 11th session was held between 14th to 26th November 1949. On 26 November 1949, the final draft of the Indian Constitution was ready.
The Constitution was passed by a Constitutional Assembly on 26 November 1949. It came into effect on 26 January 1950. The date 26 January was chosen to commemorate the declaration of Purna Swaraj, complete independence of 1930.
The national emblem was adopted on 26 January 1950, the day India was declared a republic with its constitution coming into effect. A representation of lion capital of Ashoka was initially adopted as the emblem of the Dominion of India in December 1947. The current version of the emblem was officially adopted on 26 January 1950, the day India became a republic.
The Government of India Act 1935 was originally passed in August 1935 and is said to be the longest act of British Parliament ever enacted by that time. The 1935 Act was the second installment of constitutional reforms passed by British Parliament for implementing the ideal of responsible government in India.
Amended only 94 times in the first 62 years, the Constitution of India has stood the test of time. As of January 2019, there has been 103 amendments to the Constitution of India since it was first enacted in 1950.